I know you, Quilt Guild leader. You are on the prowl for educational, entertaining, and encouraging programs and workshops to present to your guild. Am I right? Well, I got you covered. I'm going to tell you a bit about myself, my workshops, lectures, my studio, and be sure to stay tuned till the end because I have recommendations from Quilt Guild leaders just like you. Hi, I'm Jenny K. Parks. I've taught and worked in local quilt shops. I have hosted and demonstrated over 150 videos for Quilting Daily. I've hosted hundreds of Facebook Lives and YouTube Lives. I've taught at Quilt Guilds in person and now virtually. And in all this, I have learned that there are 3 things every quilter needs. 1, they want to know more about color. 2, they need to finish those UFOs. And 3, they need to bind a quilt. I have 2 workshops and 2 lectures that I want to share with you. Now, I love color. Color makes the quilt. But so many quilters are confused about color, they don't understand how it works, and they don't even know how to use the quilter's secret weapon, the color wheel. I can help with my lecture, Color Courage for the Fabric Phobic, and the Color Courage Workshop. The Color Courage Workshop can be done without your sewing machine. Just 2-inch squares, poster board, and glue stick. To combat the overwhelm of UFOs, I have a lecture called Leave Quilts, Not Fabric. It is jam-packed with practical ways to whittle down that pile, but you also better get your tissues because it's a tearjerker. Okay, we're friends, so I'll be honest. I developed the beautiful machine binding workshop because my binding was a disaster. Among other things, I'm talking wavy bindings. Bindings ain't supposed to be wavy, people! But this binding workshop addresses the wavy bindings and lots more issues. In my studio, my light and sound are professional, and I have 3 camera angles that I can change at just a moment's notice. Check this out. Pretty cool, right? And if all this is not enough to make you pick me, let's see what others have to say. Pause if you need to. You and I want the same things for your Quilt Guild, to provide entertaining, encouraging, and educational lectures and workshops, and I can help with that. Let's start filling in some of those blank spots on our calendars. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.